By taking proper initiation in the proper line, then the disciple receives the adhikar, or the qualification. Then he has the right. He can think. He can then think and pray, I am Radha's Dasi. When you desire, I was talking about, what about Swatantra Bhajan? Do your own thing. He says you have no right. He says, when you desire to enter the eternal spiritual world and Leela of Radharani independently, Swatantra, you can't just enter Radharani's Leela. Radha will ask you, what is your connection? What is your name? Where are you coming from? Who is your guru? Where is your Guru Pranali? Who is your Yuteshri, your main Sakhi and Manjari? Who is your Sakhigan? Without this information, without this relationship and introduction and connection, if you don't have all that, if you do sadhana, can you attain Krishna Prem and get Krishna Darshan and get spiritual body? He said, yes, you can attain Krishna Prem and attain the spiritual world, but you can never attain the service of Radharani. You must be born again and enter into a proper line of gurus that teaching this line. Then you can attain spiritual perfection. No more material body, you get free. But by doing sadhana and attaining prema, there's no more material birth, but you can't do seva to Radharani. And anyway, he repeated this several times. By doing Nam, you get free from the body, you realize the spiritual body, you attain Krishna's darshan. There's somebody, some servant. But you won't attain the direct service of Radharani and Braj. You basically go to Vaikuntha. No permission, no admission. No submission, no permission. This is one of my phrases from long ago. No submission, no permission, no permission, no admission. You can get darshan and prem and truly serve.